Hi everyone, welcome back again my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Join us as we celebrate the life and legacy of Lady Diana, the beloved princess of Wales. From her early days as a shy young woman to her transformation into a global icon, Lady Diana's life was a testament to her strength, compassion and grace. In this video, we will take a closer look at Lady Diana's early life and her rise to royalty, her iconic outfits and fashion movements that made her a style icon, her tireless charity work and dedication to helping others, her ability to connect with people from all walks of life, the reasons why she was loved by so many around the world. Get ready for a journey filled with inspiration, fashion and heart. Lady Diana's life was a true testament to the power of kindness, compassion and grace. Lady Diana's outfits were always a reflection of her personality, elegant, sophisticated and full of heart. Her charity work and dedication to helping others inspired countless people around the world. Lady Diana's ability to connect with people from all walks of life made her a true icon of her time. Her legacy continues to inspire and influence fashion, charity work, and kindness to this day. People loved Lady Diana for her genuine kindness, her compassion, and her grace, and we still do. So, my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion and lifestyle content. Join the conversation and share your favorite Lady Diana's moments with us. And get ready for more inspiration, fashion and heart. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next videos. Lady Diana's impact on the royal family and the world will never be forgotten. Her legacy lives on through her sons William and Harry and their continued charity work. Lady Diana's fashion influence can still be seen on runways and in street style today. Her kindness, compassion and grace will always be an inspiration to us all. We hope you enjoyed this video tribute to Lady Diana. Please share your thoughts and memories with us. Lady Diana will always be remembered as a true icon of grace, compassion and style. Her life was a testament to the power of kindness and impact one person can have and won the world. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more fashion and lifestyle content. Lady Diana's legacy continues to inspire new generation of young people around the world. Her commitment to charity work and helping others is a shining example for us all. Lady Diana's fashion sense was always impeccable and her style continues to influence fashion today. We are forever grateful for the impact Lady Diana had on our lives and the world. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Join the conversation and share your favorite Lady Diana's moment with us. Get ready for more inspiration, fashion and heart. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next videos. Take care. Bye bye.